Hello loves, my name's Nikima and we are SpainHomes. Today I am in the beautiful coastal town of Benitachell. This town is located in the province of Alicante within the Valencian community and within the region of Marina Alta. It offers not just a beautiful place to live, but also some of the most amazing, captivating and mesmerizing natural landscapes you'll probably ever see this region offer. I can't wait to explore some of it with you, show you a little bit of the reasons why people choose to live right here, and also tell you a little bit more about it. So, why don't you come with me and we'll go around and have a look. Nestled in amongst these beautiful caves and imagining that I'm stepping back into prehistoric periods of time, I am in what they call Covas del Arcs. This is a beautiful natural formation of a cave located in Cabo de Moraes. In this cove, you not only get to enjoy the most spectacular, stunning coastline, but you also get to see these amazing caves that were basically formed with the relationship that the water had with the earth over millions and millions of years. I find these type of natural landscapes really quite beautiful, rugged in their charm, and also with an essence of historical beauty. What I also really enjoy whilst I'm stood here is I can see where there have been spring waterfall wells nestled in between the rock formations. The pink algae appearance of the seaweed. It's just quite amazing. Seeing these arches kind of reminiscent of the waves of the sea, but then also feeling the force and the energy that the water is actually feeding you with whilst you're here. It really is quite amazing. What I love about this particular location, for all those that are nature enthusiasts like myself, is it's perfect if you like snorkeling, if you like diving, even if you want to take your own camera and view what is actually under the sea, as you will find that the water is crystal clear. You can see all the way through. Located in the highest point of what is within the old town of Benitachell, we are stood outside the church of Santa Maria de Magdalena. This particular church is the focal point for many of the residents that live in the heart of the old town, and is also at the centre of their cultural events and religious festivities that happen throughout the calendar year. That being said though, it does have a lot of beautiful charm, as you can see. Was built originally around the 1700s, the early 1700s, but has since gone on with various reformations in and around the mid-20th century. This was originally an older hermitage, and this was actually built on back in the 1700s. So it's amazing to think what was actually here even before then. But what's really beautiful is that you get to see neoclassical architectural design, as well as beautiful Baroque types of motifs and ornaments, as well as you expand your horizons and have a look on the inside of the church walls. Do feel free to have a look around this beautiful old town, and also don't forget to come and have a look at this church. Situated beautifully between Javier and Benitachell, you will find El Club de Javier. This is one of the golf clubs that are within this residential area that the residents come to enjoy and tourists too. It actually offers 9 holes, but it is also alternate, offering up to 18 holes for those that like to play. And it is also a par 72. So if you do like a little bit of challenging terrain and yet to be in amongst panoramic views looking at the Mongo mountain, then you may very well like the tranquility and also the on-site services that this golf club actually offers. Here you get to actually enjoy not just the tranquility of the space, but also the fact that you have access to buggy hire, a pro shop, driving ranges, and so much more. It really is quite a nice place to while away the afternoon, even if you feel like stopping by, getting involved in the social events that also happen here, and having a quick bite to eat and a coffee. Let's see, what would you like to do if you were to come here? I think I might have to try my technique and practice a little bit more golf. Nestled in between what are orange groves and lemon groves, as far as the eye could see, I thought it was only fair to talk to you a little bit about Benitachell's beautiful history with agriculture. They have been able to maintain Mediterranean, rain-fed agriculture since Roman times, and you can still see when you're exploring the natural landscape, the terraces within it that are here even today. What I really love about it is you can really see where the culture and where the actual essence of agriculture and food has taken the civilization of people through generations right up to the present day. And what's really nice about it is it's still a region that cultivates a lot of citrus, as well as almonds, olives, and its famous grapes for muscatel wine, which the region is really known for. So if you're ever here in Benitachell or nearby, don't forget to get some muscatel wine. ¡Ay, qué bueno!
Y esto sacaba el agua debajo.
Sí.
Unos tubos.
Sí.
Y tiraba el agua afuera.
Sí. Wow, that's incredible.
Mucho daño, mucho.
So basically he was saying that back in the day, a horse would actually work this piece of amazing machinery to draw the water out from lower in the ground and to be able to put this water up on land so that it could then be used to water the crops. Obviously it rains here, but it doesn't rain here all the time. And so this is an ingenious thing that they used to use that I suppose now is just a piece of wonderful memorabilia. Despite its quiet, peaceful and naturistic charm, don't be fooled. Benitachell is also really nicely tucked in between some very lovely nearby coastal towns. Within 15 minutes drive, you could be in Javier, you could be in Tulada, you could be in Moraira. There are beautiful towns to explore, and they're also very reminiscent of this one, offering a lovely slow pace of life, a really warm and welcoming expatriate community, and also beautiful homes and natural settings. But let's say you wanted to travel a little bit further. You can even go to more busy hustle and bustle towns like Alicante, which is 35 minutes away, or even Benidorm, which is 40 minutes away. The choice is yours. Either way, I hope you enjoyed our tour. It was lovely seeing you. My name's Nikima, and we will see you again soon. Hasta pronto!